I take boat in the sea between Turkey and Greece. When I arrive in Greece, I continue my travel with more people and different people, different nations. And my situation is very, very, very bad. And this, 2020, beginning of this is COVID-19 coronavirus. And the situation of virus is very hard. If they try to put me outside and live in the streets.